Hi guys, in today's video I'm super excited because this hack is going to help a lot of people. In today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to use this law in this affidavit to remove anything from your credit report in 4 days. Guys, in today's video, there's no fluff, no bluff. I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can remove anything, collections, charge off, whatever you have going on from your credit report in 4 days. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove literally anything from your credit report in 4 days. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience. It allows you to push this content within the algorithm and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to MyCreditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to MyCreditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because I know you guys have been asking for a video after I made the human trafficking video. I told the audience to comment TransUnion if you wanted a legit option to remove anything from your credit report without having to claim that you was a victim of human trafficking, right? So this video is going to help a lot of people because this video is backed by actual law and it gives a window, a very short window for success, right? So let's get started. So the first thing you have to understand is this is going to be the verbiage all written down on how to do this, right? So this is going to be the law, the FCRA 605B 15 USC 1681 C2. Now requires removal of each item from the credit report which you identify in your complaint within 4 days of the complaint. So this is based by law, like I said, guys. By law, if you file a identity theft report, they only have 4 days from the complaint being submitted to the CFPB for you to remove it. Now, what you would need in this is a copy of the most recent credit reports. I'm gonna teach you how to get that. Completed FTC identity theft affidavit. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. And your unique CFPB complaint and a demand for deletion. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Now, the first thing you have to do is obtain the credit report and identify the negative items that you want to remove. Now, once you have your credit report, guys, it's really easy from there. Now, you can go to identityiq.com or you can go to IC Credit. IC Credit is the best so far from my opinion, and you can go there and sign up and pull all 3 of your credit reports. Now if you want to do it for free, you can go to annualcreditreport.com and pull your 3 credit report through there. Now in order for you to do this, you are going to need to, you're going to go through the MyCredit system. You're going to need to file a complaint with the FTC and you're going to need to file a complaint with the CFPB. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up for MyCredit, get started there. Import all of your negative items over to, now you can import it manually or you can import it automatically. Now once you import everything to your credit report, your screen is going to look like this. All your negative items are going to look like this. The positive items are going to be checked in green. The unspecified items are going to be checked X, in dispute, negative, deleted, repair. You get the picture. So once you get here, you're going to select the reason that you are disputing this particular account. Now once you have selected, and in this case I would recommend you select identity theft because we are going to use identity theft as a major component for this dispute. Now the reason why I said this is because that identity theft guideline gives you the 4 days for it to actually be removed. Now I don't know if you have heard the news or what, but every American social security number has been breached by hackers like a few days ago. So this is going to be a ripple effect for a lot of identity theft cases potentially. So the credit bureaus are going to expect a lot of identity theft cases. Now in this case we're going to use the Equifax data breach but you can use that data breach. You can use this one that just was released saying that every American Social Security number has been hacked. In this case, for your dispute reason, you're going to do identity theft. Now, once you do identity theft towards the negative item that you want to dispute, you're going to scroll down and you're going to create the letter, right? Now, in this section, we're going to create two different letters, right? Now, we're going to create a letter. The first one is going to be called manual. You're going to type in first. Okay, so let's back up. So the first thing you want to do is go to 4-step dispute letters, right? Now, don't go to that one. You're going to click round 2. Now, round 2 is going to give you access to the full library of the system, and you're going to go to manual letters and look for this one. It says request to block and remove due to fraud identity theft, right? Now, once you go down, you're going to select the identity theft in the negative accounts that you have already selected, right? In this case, this is a dummy account, so I'm going to only select one, but in your case, you're going to select every negative account that you are going to want to be removed and disputed this round. And then after you select all the ones that you want to dispute, you're going to collect next, and it's going to populate all of your information. So as you can see, your social, date of birth, who we're sending it to, and everything. Now, this is the letter that you are receiving. It says under the 15 USC, the credit reporting agency must block and remove any alleged pieces of information the consumer considers identity theft within 4 business days of receiving a complaint consisting of the information below. Now, in this system, I want you guys to click somewhere inside of the text description and put your own personal statement. I want you to put a personal statement on what is pertaining to your particular account. If you do not do this, what's going to happen is that this method and this letter is going to be oversaturated. We always come into the letters and redo them, rewrite them just for that purpose, but for the lack thereof, write a personal statement in there is going to give you a better chance of results, along with not oversaturating templates, right? So once you get this, you're going to print this out and get it notarized, right? Now, that's the first letter. Now we're going to go back and actually acquire the affidavit, right? So once we go back, after you printed that one out, you're going to go back and then we're going to type in affidavit of facts, and you're going to select the one you want to do, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to recreate a second letter. Now, this second letter is going to go along with the first letter. You need both of these letters. Now, as you can see, this affidavit of facts look like a court document, and it's because it is a court document. As you can see, the defendant is the Equifax, and that is because of the data breach. It's basically saying that you are disputing everything. All of your information is going to be on here as well. You want to get it notarized in this section right here, and you want to upload your driver's license, social security card, and any supporting documents. Now, you want to need both of these letters before going to the next one, because the next one we're going to file the identity theft affidavit. So we have two affidavits. We have affidavit of facts, we have identity theft affidavit, and then we have the first dispute letter for deletion, right? Now, once you do that, you have all of those documents ready, notarized. You want to go to identitytheft.com to get started. You want to type in, I want to report identity theft, right? And select the accounts that you want to do. I'm not going to go further because this is going to be technical and it can change on any individual account, but you are going to go for, you want to select credit cards, loans, or whatever is pertaining to you. And as you can see, they're going to ask you, tell us more about the information that's being misused, and whichever one of these pertain to you is the one you're going to click, and then you're going to click continue. Now, I've already, okay guys, they deleted it, but I had to go in and redo it. This is a dummy, but this is what it's going to look like. It's going to give you a FTC report. I haven't finalized it because this is all fake information, and I don't want to obviously put a fake request in, but this is what it's going to look like, and this is what you're going to need. You're going to need the affidavit of facts right here, and you're going to need to print this out. Once you print this out, you're ready to go to the next step. The next step is going to file a complaint with the CFPB, right? The CFPB. Now let's rewind. Now, once you get to the affidavit, once you get to this identitytheft.gov, you're going to also need to add this personalized statement to the description. Now, they're not going to let you copy it and paste it in, so you're going to have to type, but this is also an example text. So don't use it line for line. Don't use it verbatim or anything like that. You can go to ChatGPT and tell them to like rewrite it or something like that, or you can rewrite it yourself, but don't use this exact verbiage. But this is something along the lines that you need to put inside of the description for the identitytheft.gov. And once you get this document back, you're going to print it out and you're going to put it to the side along with the other dispute letters. Now, so guys, after you do the identitytheft.gov, you're going to send it over to the credit bureaus. You want to send that off to the credit bureaus along with that, the 2 affidavits and also the dispute letter. Once you have sent it off to the credit bureaus, I'll say wait 2 weeks, and not 2 weeks. After you send it off to the credit bureau, you're going to want to start your complaint with the CFPB, because the CFPB is going to be the ones that get it off after 4 days. So after you send it off to the credit bureaus, you want to come back to your screen, start your complaint, sign up with the CFPB if you do not already have an account. I already did. Once you get here, there's going to be step 1 of 5. You want to click credit report and other personal consumer reports, credit reporting. You're going to click next, and then you're going to put in incorrect information on your credit report. Account information incorrect. Have you tried to communicate with them? Yes. You just sent it off. Did you request information from the company? Yes. Verification effects. Okay. No. Click next. Okay. And this is going to be the description. Now, in the description, this is going to be what you're going to want to put. Now, this is an example, guys. Do not put this inside of the description, because if you do, this is going to have and highlight debt that's not yours, right? The CFPB complaint has been filed and requested pursuant to FCRA 605B. The TransUnion credit report and issue block information appearing on the consumer credit report that result in identity theft and fraud within the next 4 business days of you receiving this complaint. This fraudulent, incorrect, and false information consists of personal credit card account open at American Express. See, your account is not going to say American Express. It's not going to say April 28th. It's going to say whatever your account is and whatever date it is. Do not use this because it's already allocated to certain specific accounts like American Express, Navy Federal, and things like that. But you get the picture. You're going to use verbiage like this. You can even use the verbiage all the way up to here, but you're not going to use this down here because it has specific account information that's not going to pertain to you, and you want to replace those account names and dates with yours that apply, right? Once you do that, you're going to go back over, you're going to type it in. How would you want this to be done? Delete, and you're going to attach the documents. You're going to attach the 2 credit letters that you got from MyCreditapprove, and you're going to attach the affidavit that you did with identitytheft.gov. I think it's this one. Yeah, you're going to attach that one, and then you're going to select next. It's making me type something. Don't do that, guys. And then you're going to put the company name. You can put TransUnion. The name is going to pop up. There you go. Let's do the TransUnion Fraud Assistance Department. Yeah, let's do that one. And we need information, last 4, date of birth or whatever, and then you're going to submit it, guys. Once you do this, you should be able to get everything removed in 4 days, guys. It shouldn't even be a question. And if you don't, I do have tips under here that should give you a better description of what to do next. If for some reason the credit reporting agency don't comply with the first attempt, try to claim the accounts were somehow verified. You would send them a method of verification dispute letter invoking FCRA 611, which forces them to reinvestigate the items in the initial CFPB complaint and either verify the source of information they used in order to return a verified response in the initial CFPB complaint file at each bureau, or delete all contested items in the initial CFPB complaint. So guys, if you want me to teach you the second method of doing this under the FCRA 611 method, type in the description 611, and I will basically teach you how to formulate a response if you come back verified. If your debt come back verified, I teach you how to basically write a response to get them to reopen the CFPB case, or basically prove how they verified the debt. Either or, guys. is going to be removed. If you have any questions, if you found any of this information helpful, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it helps YouTube to push this content. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, if you have any questions, you can always jump on a phone call with me or my team, and we can go over everything line by line and see exactly what's struggling and hurting your account. Guys, this is a no-brainer. I know it's a little bit more advanced than, you know, traditional credit repair, but guys, if you do it like I told you, it will work. Guys, let me know in the comment section how it's working for you, and until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.